Sell fast in Milwaukee. Simple cash and creative solutions. Are you looking to sell your house fast in Milwaukee but feeling overwhelmed by options and real estate terms? Whether you're sitting on solid equity or you're upside down on your mortgage, there are straightforward paths to help you move on quickly and cleanly. In this video, Fair Deal home buyers will walk you through 3 practical strategies: a cash sale, creative no-equity options, and hybrid solutions, all explained in plain language so anyone can understand. Stick around and you'll know which path fits your situation and how we can make it work for you. If you have equity, the simplest route is a cash sale. With Fair Deal home buyers, you can often get an offer fast and close in as little as 7 days. That means no staging, no showings, and no long listing periods. We buy houses as is, no repairs, no cleaning, and we can cover typical seller costs so more cash goes to you at closing. For example, homeowners with equity can have an inspection-free sale, a clear timeline, and immediate funds to pay off mortgages, move, or invest elsewhere. It's fast, predictable, and ideal for sellers who want a quick, clean break. If you have little or no equity, or you owe more than the house is worth, don't panic. Here's the rule of thumb. With little or no equity, we use subject to. With strong equity, choose a fast cash sale, or seller financing if high taxes are a concern. In a subject to transaction, the buyer takes over your existing mortgage payments while the deed transfers to them. This can stop a looming foreclosure, relieve you of payments, and remove the property from your responsibilities quickly. Seller financing fits high equity owners. You sell the home but carry a note, essentially acting as the lender while the buyer makes payments to you. That creates steady monthly income, and, with your tax advisor, can help manage capital gains exposure. Both strategies require clear contracts and professional handling, and Fair Deal home buyers guides you through the paperwork, protections, and the pros and cons so you can decide confidently. Sometimes, the best answer is a hybrid. Solutions like lease options, lease-back arrangements, or tailored payment plans. A lease option lets a renter lease your home with the right to buy later at an agreed price, giving you income now and a potential sale later. A lease-back lets you sell for cash but stay in the home as a tenant for a short period, perfect if you need time to relocate. We also structure creative hybrids when sellers need partial cash now and ongoing payments later. These options keep more flexibility in your hands and can be customized around timelines, taxes, and family needs. Fair Deal homebuyers leverages these tools to match real Milwaukee situations, from older bungalows to downtown condos. Ready to explore the option that fits your timeline and finances? Contact Fair Deal homebuyers for a free, no-obligation consultation. We'll review your situation, explain the paperwork simply, and present the most practical path forward, whether it's a fast cash sale, a subject to transfer, seller financing, or a lease-based hybrid. We're local to Milwaukee, we handle the details, and we operate on one principle: do what's right, every time. Call or visit us online to get started. Fair Deal homebuyers, we make it work.